I am super excited. In this great video, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw your cryptocurrency. As in of this case, I'm using USDT. So log into your Binance app. If you are new to Binance, I have it covered on my channel, how to create an account. So go to your, this is the overview. Go to your spot wallet. If you refresh it, you see the balance you have. After of this case, I have 83 USDT. So I'm going to show you guys how to sell it successfully on Binance here in Nigeria, wherever you are listening to the sound of my voice from. So simply click on transfer, click on the transfer tab, and you're going to transfer from the spot wallet to the funding wallet. So from spot to, now click funding wallet. So from spot to funding wallet, this is the new way to sell any cryptocurrency, whether USDT, BTC, Litecoin, Dogecoin, whichever coin you want to sell. So come here on the cryptocurrency and type USDT. So I'm transferring from my spot to my funding wallet, and it's the USDT cryptocurrency. And I'll simply click on max, which is 83 USDT, and click on confirm transfer. Now transfer is successful. Now as you can see, if I refresh this, it's no more 83 USDT. It have moved from the spot to the funding. So go to your funding wallet. As you can see, it's available here, 82.95 USDT. So this is it. So what you have to do on the fund under the funding wallet is just to click on P2P, that's peer-to-peer. Click on peer-to-peer and it loads up this interface. Now click on sell, switch to sell. Okay, now Binance changed how they sell, or how you sell your USDT or any cryptocurrency. So here you can see a lot of merchants. You can see this guy Gabrius. You can see another one. You can see they have a whole lot of merchants here. So what you look for, don't just come here and sell to anyone. What you look for is the number of trades and successful trades. This first guy that is called Gabrius, pardon me if I didn't pronounce it right, has 80 trades, and the success rate is just 86%. So I won't honestly trade with that guy. The second one is better. It's a better option. He has 936 trades, and it's 98% trade. So he has a more success rate than the first one. So I'd rather trade with this guy than the first one. But let's keep checking. So let me scroll down. You can see this guy Lowo. He has 1025 sales and 94 completed successful orders. So I'll probably trade with this guy, and has the check mark. Look at this check mark, that means his account is verified. Look at other ones. So this guy is 500 and something, this guy is 1000. So just make sure you check their success rates before you start trading. So let me go up to this guy that has 900 and something. Okay, so this guy is the one I want to trade with. Okay, so I'll click on sell. Now check the exchange rate. This guy is selling at 500 and something. Okay, just come back. So these are some of the merchants you can sell to. So but if you want to go through the easier process, what you simply do is come to the top here on the above page. You see P2P, just click on the drop down. You see Express. They have Express, P2P, or block trade. Click on Express. So this Express works. Now Binance will now automatically match you with the best seller that is verified on their platform, that is ready to buy your cryptocurrency. As of this case, it's a USDT. So let me click on sell. So this is sell all, right? Video tutorial. You can watch this video to learn how to trade and all that. So click on all, which is 83 USDT as of this case. So click on sell with zero fee. Now they automatically match me with someone that is ready to buy my USDT. So this Express works fine if you don't want to go through the process of selecting someone to buy your cryptocurrency on Binance. So this Express, they will automatically match you with a verified user. As of this case, they have already matched me. This is what I'll be getting if I sell to this user that they matched me with. And this is my bank payment platform. If you want to add the method you want to receive the payment from, you can add a new payment plan here. Just click on this plus on the bottom down, click on plus, add payment method, and add your bank account. But I've already added a bank account here. Just click on confirm sale, and it's loading. Confirm sale. Now they have pending payment. So this is it. And as you can see, this time they gave me a time like 7 minutes and some seconds. So within this minute, this buyer will send me this amount on my account. This is 45,000 naira on my account that I linked to this. So this is the bank that I linked to this. This is the account number, and this is the bank name. So they will send me this. Once I confirm the payment, I'll click on payment received. Now it's grayed out. If you look below on this dashboard, you can see payment received is grayed out, appeal is grayed out. So not to worry. Here, click on this transaction. You can see that it's strictly on identity verified users. It's end-to-end crypto asset protection and 24/7 support. In case of any issue, you can contact Binance and they can help you. So I'm waiting for this guy to complete the payment. If I click on the chat, I'll read his term and condition. So I'm not paying Kobo after 5 minutes of your order. You can call me. Okay, the buyer just marked this transaction as paid, right? So before you release this payment, now you can see that below you can see payment received is now colored. That color is colored on yellow. It's no more grayed out. So because this buyer now marked this payment, I has paid 45,000 naira to my account. That's what he said. But before you release any cryptocurrency, make sure you log into your mobile app and confirm that the actual amount is credited on your bank account before you can release any payment. Don't just release any payment here, right? So I've checked my mobile banking and I saw 45,913 there as a credit alert. So successfully this guy have sent the funds. So that's the only case that you click on payment received. If not, click on appeal and contact Binance to get your money back, right? So just click on this. I confirm that the payment is successfully received with correct amount and sender information. So click on confirm, and as you can see now, Binance will tell you to authorize this by using the Google authentication. So let me come here and search Google. So this is Google Authenticator, right? So this is just something I use. Click on it. It's copied the code. Now you can use SMS authentication as well. So click on submit. So submit, right? So as you can see, I've successfully sold my 83 USDT. So this is what I got on my account, and I'll click on done. This is how to sell your cryptocurrency successfully on Binance in Nigeria, wherever you are listening to the sound of my voice. Now, if you're interested in this, if you want to sell your cryptocurrency or buy cryptocurrency or trade cryptocurrency, whichever one you want to do, you can contact me. My contact information is the first thing below on the description box. My email is there, my WhatsApp number is there, my phone number is there, my Facebook, anything is there. Instagram, you can contact me via any means you seem deemed necessary. Contact me and we can transact. I can buy your cryptocurrency or sell cryptocurrency to you. So that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.